Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kingbonk token. Now the Kingbonk token is just about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance in like an hour. This is a brand new token, just got put into the launchpad list within the last 24 hours or so, and they're about to start their pre-sale already. This is going to be a public pre-sale. Tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. They have a full audit, so you don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. Name of the token is Kingbonk, and ticker symbol is Kingbonk, all one word. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Kingbonk token. So, Kingbonk, the King Doge of BSC. Now, this token is about to start their pre-sale in like an hour or so. The pre-sale starts exactly January 16th at 14 hours UTC time and is going to run until January 18th, 17 hours UTC time. Now, soft cap for this pre-sale is 10 BNB, and there is no hard cap, so pre-sale is just going to run for the full 2 days, 3 hours. It's a public pre-sale. Max contribution is 1 BNB. Initial market cap estimate, $4,786. So if you're watching this video later on, or you missed this video, first hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Pancakeswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Kingbonk token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, kingbonk.io. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll try to find that in a minute. And liquidity will be locked on Pancakeswap for 180 days. Now, there's 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply here of, that is a million, billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion tokens. So there's a lot of tokens. It says the King Dog of BSC. Full audit. So they do have an audit here on PinkSale that you could check out. They were audited by Analytics Audit. And you can view the PDF of that on PinkSale. And it says base team, experienced, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Fast Track, contract renounced at launch. They're going to be trending on DEX Tools, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DexView, DexScreener, Twitter, AveDex, and BSC bot trending on launch as well. Now they have a Telegram you could follow at Kingbonk BSC, and they have over 4,000 Telegram members. 788 of them are online right now, so that's a great place to join the conversation regarding this project here. They have a Twitter at Kingbonk BSC. I'm going to put that right on the screen, and you'll see they have a link to their Telegram and their webpage, kingbonk.io, on the Twitter right here. Brand new Twitter, just joined in January 2024. 6 tweets so far, 3,124 followers. And then their webpage. Also, if you go over there, you can find a white paper. They have a button to join the pre-sale, audit, partners, roadmap, socials, all sorts of stuff on there as well. So how the token is split up, it says 62.5% of the tokens go to pre-sale. Then we have 31.24% of the tokens going to liquidity, 5% central exchange listings. then we have 1.25% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, if you go over to their webpage, it's an 8-page white paper, so it's not like super extensive or anything like that. And actually, it looks like most of it as of now is blank, so it looks like they're just working on it. But the information is still going to be on their webpage here. So Kingbonk has seized power, and the title of king of all Bonk-inspired coins. And trust me, there is a lot of Bonk-inspired coins lately. I think the last video I just did was, I did a Robo Bonk this week, and there was also Bonk Girl this week. So those were the two newest ones that just had pre-sales on Pink Sale that were notable anyways. Some of the ones that don't even have audits or things like that, that have no web pages, no audits, I'll just dismiss those and not even mention those tokens. But the ones that, you know, have a little bit of work put into their project, then maybe I'll talk about those ones. But anyways, there is a lot of Bonk tokens these days. So this is, so it says, he needs no permission to take over and dominate BSC and blockchains beyond to bring bonks their full glory. The vision is set to amuse people into Web3 adoption, and the king is raising an army and forging through the noise to conquer more territories for Web3 through the memes. Web3 will behold the effectiveness in Web3 adoption again as Kingbonk opens the gates to usher in a new wave of users via entertainment, collaboration, and community. A meme is born, the king has risen. So their partners, Analytics Audit, BSC Daily, so maybe there was like a BSC Daily article about this project, AveDex, Pink Sale, and DexView. So the Bonkonomics here, there is taxes of 5 and 5, it says. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Pancakeswap later on, you probably will have to set your slippage around 5%. Now, how the taxes are split up, 2% to dev, 2% marketing, 1% liquidity pool. Now, the roadmap here, phase 1, pre-sale. Launch, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, AveDex, DexTool, DexScreener trending, major exchange listings. Phase 2, Kingbonk in the news. Maybe that's where daily BSC comes in. Community growth, huge marketing push, ambassadors application, and phase 3, meme takeover, and more holders. So there's not much utility going on with this token here. This is very much just a meme token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.